Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. So I have a small unboxing from Brandon Blackwood. If you don't know, that is a black luxury handbag maker. Actually, last year and this year, I really just wanted to focus on showing you guys a little bit more black luxury brands, and that's what I am doing. I didn't do a great job last year, so I was like, you know what, it's 2021, I gotta buckle down on it. So this is what I ended up purchasing. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to get a true unboxing. Ooh, look at her. Excited to see what is in here. And yeah, let's just open it up real quick. Inside there's a stock card, and here is the item. It does come in a dust bag off the top, okay? If this is going to be a luxury brand, I'm gonna need some sort of gift box or something, because yes, a dust bag is cool, great, but I'm gonna need a box, a ribbon, something. The dust bag isn't anything substantial. It does have his logo on the front, Brandon Blackwood in New York, and I got the ESR Tote. Y'all know I don't do mini bags like that, but I think this one is a cute one. The canvas seems nice. It seems nice. So this retails for $70. It has silver hardware, and it has the infamous quote in systematic racism. I do have a mark right here. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna really pick up. I have one here and one here. I'm not a silver hardware type of girl either, but I can let this one go. I believe he said that he's not really a gold hardware type of person, so we're already at odds. But other than that, I was just like, okay, fine. Like silver, I'm not like totally like, oh man, about silver, but I just prefer gold. It's a preference thing. So inside it is a snap closure. It is stuffed, which is nice. It has a longer shoulder strap. We have inside a slip pocket. We also have his logo stitched right in here, and a gel silica pad. But it's a tiny little thing, you know what I'm saying? I've been wanting to pick this up for a while now, but after I saw my girl Carla Simon unbox one, I was like, you know what? Let me just stop bullshitting and actually purchase it. That's exactly what I did. I purchased it, and it is really nice. Like, it's a cute little something something. But I also really wanted to support it because, let me read it and get it right. A portion of these purchases will go to the pro bono legal assistance provided by the Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights, having lawyers being able to help bail people out, just stand up for injustices. There are a lot of people who are locked up right now who are still there because they can't make bail. There are people who are locked up whose punishment don't fit the crime. There's a lot of things going on. And then with the systematic racism in areas that you wouldn't think would be racist, but it is. Case in point, if you ask any doctor of color the images they saw when they were going through medical school, I guarantee you that they will say that most of the images that were in those textbooks were of lighter skin. There aren't a lot of dark skin images, so they really don't know what a rash looks like on a person of color until they encounter a patient with that problem. So something as simple as that is just ingrained into our society. I know Carla spoke phenomenally about it on her channel, and it's just little things where you wouldn't think that, oh, that's not racist, blah, blah, blah. It is. I know this isn't this type of video, but we're gonna keep bringing it back to the luxury. I really want to incorporate a lot more black designers on my channel, because we need to be seen, we need to be known. Even though I am going to incorporate them, I am not going to bite my tongue when it comes to presentation and things like that. So I hope that one day they will level up their presentation. I'm not gonna bark at them too much, but I do expect more than this dust bag. This does come with a long shoulder bag. I'm not sure if it's crossbody or not. And also, yeah, this ain't gonna be a crossbody for me. I am a plus size beauty, so this ain't gonna work out for me. I already know it's gonna come up a little too high. However, if y'all know my channel, y'all know I don't wear bags in a crossbody way. I don't like looking like a percentage sign. So the way I would wear it is long on my shoulder. That's how I always wear crossbody bags, and that will be the way I wear this as well. The straps and the handles are a different shade than the actual bag. Surprisingly enough, even for $70, the bag has feet. Most of the bigger luxury companies, they for some reason have stopped putting feet on the bottom of bags, and that has irritated me because the bottom of your bag is dirty. And I'm like, I want the back. If I'm spending money on bags, come on. I want it to be clean under there. I was a little bit nervous to pick this shade up, only because I was like, I don't do too well with a light colored bag, only because I wear my bags really, not rough, but your girl uses it. So because this is more of that linen canvas, I was like, that's okay. So I feel like I can probably clean it out with like a shout pen or something like that, and it won't damage the bag too bad. Hopefully I won't have to do it, but I don't know. This little mark, granted it's on the back of the bag, I just might try to take it out with a little shout pen for a cute little weekend bag when I go out to the city to visit my friends. I think this is fine. You know, throw my keys, my phone, a wallet. I think it's good. And just for size reference, here's a 16.9 ounce bottle of water. Boom. So it's not super small, but it ain't super big either. So yep, I mean, it's a nice little cute little something, and it is for a good cause. I'm supporting a black luxury brand, so I'm happy with my purchase thus far. I will update you guys and show you what all fits inside of here, but right now I am going to love it. I did make a pre-order purchase that should be coming at some point, but stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.